How to add an audio track or music in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free, or add the background. Once you have your video selected, as you can see, there's no music or audio in the soundtrack like so. Drag your music file onto the timeline down below, unlink the video clip, click backspace to delete it if the video pops up. We only want the audio piece. Find the portion of the audio piece you want to use within your video. Once you have the audio piece you want to use, drag this to the left on the timeline like so. In this case, your audio should be selected underneath audio 1 or audio 2 or even audio 3. And as you can see, we have the decibel here on the right side showing us the volume. So this is the before. And this is the after.
Just imagine being human, hating and confusion.
A bonus step is if you want to hear the audio piece in the timeline like so while you're scrubbing or playing the video clips, go under to Edit, Preferences on the top left hand screen, and then click on Audio. The window should pop up like this, and underneath Audio, click Play Audio while scrubbing or the second option, and then click OK. So now when you scrub on your timeline,